Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming your Windows version because menus differ. Once you know that, right-click an empty spot on the taskbar to unlock options. Open Settings, then choose Personalization and Taskbar to access controls. You need administrative access for some changes. If you don't have it, request it now. Once done, pause and look for taskbar behaviors or taskbar sections depending on your version. This direct approach gets you to the exact controls you'll use next to pin behavior and visibility. You'll now change the behavior that causes disappearance. Find Automatically Hide the Taskbar and toggle it off so the bar stays visible. Next, set alignment and the taskbar location. Moving it to the bottom can reduce accidental hiding and works better with multiple monitors. Make sure to lock the taskbar after positioning so icons can't shift. Use the Lock the Taskbar option. Once done, verify on each display and with different window states to ensure it remains on screen under normal use. Finish by restarting Windows Explorer. Open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, right-click and restart. This refreshes the taskbar without rebooting. If the bar still disappears, check for apps using full screen or overlay modes and close them. Some players or remote apps force hiding. Make sure your graphics driver and Windows updates are current, since driver bugs can cause rendering problems. If problems persist, boot in safe mode to isolate third-party conflict. That single troubleshooting tip often reveals whether an app is responsible.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.